Hi, I'm Mallory Mefford, and today I'm going to be talking about training coordinators, who they are, and what do they do. Training coordinators help the workforce by planning, implementing, and evaluating training programs that help employees acquire the skills needed to perform their jobs. Training coordinators work across industries and with various different equipment and tools to ensure that the company's training procedures accurately train for safety and the skills needed for the job. Training coordinators have several different tasks, but let's look at 3 critical tasks and situations a coordinator will face. The first critical task that they are responsible for is designing training programs that align with their organization's needs and industry standards. This involves researching effective training methods, creating instructional materials, and integrating learning tools like virtual training sessions. This task can create a challenging situation when the training methods a coordinator likes does not align with the budget or preference of the company they're training. It's up to the training coordinator to successfully navigate this. Another critical task training coordinators are responsible for is scheduling and organizing training sessions. To do this task, training coordinators have to work closely with managers to ensure employees have the opportunity to attend and complete required training. This task can create a difficult situation when the company the coordinator is training has poor communication skills, which can make it hard for the coordinators to schedule and plan training programs. It is important for the training coordinator to be adaptable to handle these type of situations. The third critical task for training coordinators is assessing the effectiveness of training programs. This is often done through the coordinator looking at various post-training evaluations, like the participant's application of learned skills in the workplace. This can cause a challenging situation when the training isn't as effective as the coordinator wishes. It is up to the training coordinator to identify the problem with the training and fix it. Since there are unique tasks and challenges in this career, you need a specific type of person to be in this job. The industry tries their best to find the right person by looking at skills and personality traits. There are several specific skills and personality traits a training coordinator needs. Candidates should have a bachelor's degree or equivalent in human resources, psychology, education, or a related field. Experience is also often required for this position. Experience for this position could be in corporate training, instructional design, or human resource development. Strong organizational skills are also important. They apply to all the critical tasks a training coordinator does, but it especially applies to scheduling and organizing training sessions. Communication skills are crucial, since training coordinators have to develop instructional materials and interact with employees, management, and other training professionals. Analytical thinking and problem-solving skills are also very important. These skills help coordinators assess training effectiveness, identify areas for improvement, and develop and implement different training methods. Adaptability is another important trait for training coordinators. Adaptability helps training coordinators keep up with the changing industry regulations, employee learning preferences, and technological advances. I have listed several personality traits and skills one needs to become a training coordinator. One might ask, how do we make sure these candidates actually have these skills? Well, first, you can use structured interviews. Structured interviews can measure a candidate's communication, interpersonal, and organizational skills by asking specific questions. Situational judgment tests can also be used. They measure problem-solving skills and adaptability by having candidates in real-world situations to see how they respond. Work sample tests can also measure the candidate's organizational skills. Personality traits like adaptability can be measured using a psychometric assessments like the Adaptability Situational Judgment Test. We have talked about plenty of ways we try to get the best possible candidate for the job, but how do we measure if they are actually successful at being a training coordinator? Well, organizations can confirm this by tracking key performance indicators related to the training done by the training coordinator. These key performance indicators usually include employee satisfaction with the training program, improvement in job performance after training, and the completion rate of training programs. By using a structured hiring and evaluation procedure for training coordinators, organizations can help ensure that their training programs meet industry regulations and help improve employee performance and safety.